Hey everybody, welcome back to Zach Tech Reviews. On this channel we look at tech, mobile accessories, and gadgets. And every once in a while, a different type of Bluetooth speaker comes along, and I want to unbox it and show you guys. I know it's really hard to kind of show Bluetooth speakers in a video here because sound is very objective. What sounds good to me might sound bad to you, and vice versa. But I saw these guys at CES, and they really kind of caught my attention because of their cool design. The company is called Xoopar. And we have two different models here that I picked up. We have the Xboy Stero, and then we have the Xboy Mini. So two different types of Bluetooth speakers. On top of kind of looking kind of funky and cool, they are actually also selfie cameras. So you can actually Bluetooth this to your phone, push a button on the back here, as you can see here, take a photo with your phone. So kind of fun, portable and whatnot. So let's go ahead and get into these. They do come in a variety of different colors. I'll leave a link down below so you can go ahead and pick up one for yourself. Let's just put the big guy up over here for now. Let's get into the little one here. Nice packaging here from Xoopar. And inside, we've got our little Xboy Mini here. Put him down, and looks like in here, probably gonna have instruction manuals. So yeah, instruction manuals, all sorts of stuff. Usually don't read it at all anyway. Gonna put the packaging up there. Inside this bag here, we got this tether strings. You can actually attach that on the Xboy Mini, and a little, yeah, there's a micro USB cord in here for charging. So we'll put that down. All right, so let's take a look at this thing. Okay, cool. So, I mean, it's a Bluetooth speaker. It's cool. Got micro USB. Looks like we have a pairing button here, and that's it. Let's go ahead and pair this up. Power it on. Ooh, look at that. Alright, there's a Xboy Mini. Alright, pair it up. And now I'm going to go ahead and find some royalty-free music. Let's go ahead and turn this on and see how it sounds. It's actually very clear. Let's go ahead and fast forward this a little bit. I mean, yeah, it sounds good. I mean, is this going to fill a room and, you know, take over your house party? Probably not, but I mean, for on the go in a small room for travel, it's perfect for that. So, yeah, we'll put that down there. So to kind of give you guys some perspective, it's about 3 inches tall there, weighs about 80 grams, supposed to be about 4 hours worth of playback, and it's about 3 watts worth of power that's coming out of that speaker right there. So, yeah, let's go ahead and try out the selfie camera here. So actually we'll launch our camera app here, and we'll flip this around so you guys can kind of see me here. So there's actually a switch on the back here. So you actually have to do a double tap on here to take a picture. So double tap, and there it goes, takes a picture. Again, we'll put the camera like this, double tap, and there it goes again. So you can see the picture right there that was taken, and my lovely self right there. So yeah, that's the Xboy Mini here. Let's go ahead and turn this off. Let's go ahead and get into the Xboy Stero here from Xoopar. Go ahead and pop this open. This one is 10 watts worth of power and stands about 5 inches tall, and 6 hours worth of playback. The same stuff is going to be in there as before, so micro USB and a tether cord there. So we'll go ahead and put that off to the side. On the back here, there's some additional switches such as track back, play pause, track forward, and of course we have there's actually a light within this one as well. Of course, you have an auxiliary in out, micro USB for charging, and you can actually insert a micro SD card full of your music as well and play back that way as well. Let's go ahead and power this on. Hold down the power there.
Hello, I'm on.
Whoa.
Looking around.
Okay, so apparently it's looking around for yeah, for someone to pair up with here. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my Bluetooth there. Go ahead and pair up. and see what happens.
I gotcha.
Okay, so he's got me. Okay, good. So let's go back to our music here. Again, royalty-free music here. Let's go ahead and put this on. Go back to the start here of this track. Whoa. So obviously noticeably louder because it is 10 watts. It does stand obviously a lot taller than the Mini here. You know, this would be good for a room, for an office. But yeah, that sounds good. I mean, on the back here, there is a light switch. So if we actually push that, you can see the light that went off there. And looks like there's basically a high mode. Then we got kind of a, yeah, a slow pulse. You guys can kind of see that going on and off there. And then off. So yeah, right there. So there you go. Something a little bit different. I'll leave a link down below if you guys want to pick up one for yourself. But we got the Xoopar Xboy Stereo, and then we got the Xoopar Xboy Mini here. So go ahead and pick up one for yourself. They come in a variety of different colors there. Like I said, go ahead and check out the website there. Pick up one for yourself and have some fun. If you guys like the content here, please leave a thumbs up. Think about hitting that subscribe button as well, and we'll catch you in the next one. Take care. Cheers.